In today's world, the choices we make at mealtime are more than just about satisfying hunger. They're opportunities to communicate with our bodies on a cellular level. Every bite carries information that either supports or disrupts the intricate systems keeping us alive and thriving. Yet, modern eating habits have led many astray, leaving us overfed but undernourished, craving foods that harm rather than heal. At its core, food is the raw material for rebuilding ourselves daily. Our skin regenerates every few weeks. Our gut lining refreshes weekly, and countless other processes rely on the nutrients we consume. Unfortunately, much of what fills plates today lacks the essential components needed to sustain these constant cycles of renewal. Industrial farming practices strip soil of vital minerals. Long transport distances degrade fresh produce, and ultra-processed options dominate diets worldwide. As a result, people often find themselves trapped in cycles of insatiable cravings, driven by cells signaling unmet needs. Consider this analogy. Imagine your body as an orchestra performing a symphony. Each instrument represents different biological functions working together harmoniously. Now picture feeding it low-quality sheet music. Out-of-tune notes and missing melodies would disrupt the entire performance. Similarly, when nutrient-poor foods enter the system, they confuse cellular signals, leading to dysfunction. On the flip side, providing high-quality sheet music through whole, unprocessed foods allows the orchestra to play beautifully. The concept extends beyond simple sustenance. Food acts as both structure and messenger within the body. For instance, dietary fats shape cell membranes, influencing how effectively nutrients pass in and out. Omega-3 fatty acids promote flexibility and reduce inflammation, while excessive omega-6s can stiffen membranes and trigger inflammatory responses. Likewise, certain compounds from plants act like conductors, guiding genetic activity toward health-promoting outcomes. Sulforaphane from broccoli, for example, activates protective genes against oxidative stress, helping maintain balance. Another fascinating aspect lies in the gut microbiome, a bustling ecosystem teeming with trillions of microorganisms influencing everything from metabolism to mood. These tiny inhabitants thrive on fiber-rich foods, producing beneficial chemicals such as short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs. SCFAs not only support gut health, but also enhance mitochondrial function, fueling energy production. Conversely, neglecting this microbial community leads to imbalances linked to chronic conditions like obesity, depression, and autoimmune disorders. Cravings often signal confusion within this complex network. When cells receive mixed messages due to processed foods or erratic eating patterns, they respond by intensifying hunger signals, seeking anything that might fill the void. This phenomenon explains why some individuals feel powerless over their desire for sugary snacks or salty treats. It's not willpower lacking, but rather biology pleading for clarity. By shifting focus to nutrient-dense, minimally processed meals, one can recalibrate these signals, reducing cravings naturally. Interestingly, diverse dietary approaches can achieve similar positive results if grounded in whole, unprocessed ingredients. Whether someone follows a plant-based regimen rich in colorful vegetables and legumes or opts for animal-derived proteins alongside leafy greens, the key lies in delivering the right molecular information to cells. For example, butyrate, a compound critical for mitochondrial health, can be obtained via bacterial fermentation of fiber in plant-heavy diets or synthesized internally during periods of carbohydrate restriction. Similarly, omega-3 fatty acids vital for brain and heart health exist in varying forms across food groups, adaptable to individual preferences. Mindful eating plays a pivotal role in fostering this connection between food and well-being. Taking time to appreciate the journey of each ingredient, from sunlight absorbed by plants to nourishment coursing through veins, cultivates gratitude and intentionality. It transforms mundane meals into moments of awe, reminding us of the profound interplay between nature and biology. Ultimately, breaking free from the grip of addictive processed foods requires rethinking priorities. Instead of chasing fleeting pleasure through hyper-palatable snacks engineered for maximum consumption, embracing simplicity offers lasting satisfaction. Prioritizing whole foods grown in vibrant living soils ensures access to the full spectrum of nutrients necessary for optimal function. Over time, taste buds adapt and cravings diminish, replaced by genuine enjoyment of wholesome flavors. By viewing food as more than mere sustenance, as a language spoken directly to our cells, we unlock the potential for profound transformation. The path forward isn't about rigid rules or ideological battles. It's about empowering ourselves with knowledge and making choices aligned with vitality. After all, every meal is an opportunity to rewrite the story of our health, one nourishing bite at a time.